Aminadong naghahabol ba sa kanilang playing condition ang barangay favorite Barangay San Miguel ilang araw bago ang pagsisimula ng PBA Philippine Cup. May report si teammate Kay Asuncion.
Hindi pa masasabing full force ang crowd favorites Barangay Ginebra San Miguel ilang araw bago ang pagsisimula ng upcoming PBA Philippine Cup. Sa pagbisita ng PTV Sports sa practice session ng Ginebra Lunes ng umaga sa Upper Deck Gym, inamin ni head coach Tim Cone na ilan pa sa kanilang key players ay nasa recovery period pa dahil sa mga injuries. Kabilang sina Japeth Aguilar na isinugod sa ospital dahil sa overfatigue at dehydration, dala ng twice-a-day training ng kupunan simula pa noong nakaraang linggo. Nagre-recover din si Julian Sargent mula sa shoulder injury matapos mabakante nitong huling Governor's Cup at inaasahang babalik sa loob ng 3 hanggang 4 na linggo. Grounded din si veteran shooter Jeff Chan matapos sumailalim sa isang operasyon.
Well, we could be in a lot better condition. We're not in the condition we need to be in, but I mean, we're not bad, you know, but we're not optimum right now. We're kind of in between, and we're working hard trying to get that settled by doing our two-a-days. Especially in the morning, we're doing hard conditioning practices, and but aside from that, we're healthy. We're just not in great shape yet, but I think we have time to get to where we want to be by game time.
Gayunpaman, confident si Cone sa natitirang veterans na sasandalan ng kupunan, kabilang sina Scotty Thompson at Greg Slaughter, bukod pa sa mga improving plays ng kanilang mga bagito.
I like our roster. I like the way we are. I don't think we really need an upgrade. I think that we can continue to improve just by learning more about the system, about being more comfortable in what we do, developing a stronger togetherness. Some of our younger players maturing, getting older and more confident. Someone like a Scotty Thompson, you know, we expect him to improve a lot, even from last year, which is hard to imagine because he's so good right now, but he still has a lot of improvement ahead of him. I think Greg, if he has a healthy year, we haven't had a healthy year from Greg, but if we can get a healthy year from him, we'll be much improved as well. So, you know, we have areas in which we can improve, and I also like the fact that our familiarity, I think, is a strength. While other teams are still trying to figure out their chemistry and their roles, hopefully, you know, we'll be able to take advantage of that.
Nakatakda ang debut ng Ginebra ngayong All-Filipino Cup na gaganapin sa Philippine Arena sa Bukawi, Bulacan sa January 13. Kay Asuncion, PTV Sports.